You go soon go Lagos. You go soon abandon us for it. They go Lagos.
Who says Lagos?
Okay, yeah.
There's London.
Don't be mad. Okay, that's right. And I noticed what I want you to do formally is introduce yourself by your own self. I know you. I don't already start to shout your name, so probably you need no introduction, but say with your mouth, let it hear.
My name is Z3NA. Outside the piece. I'm a producer. I make music. You know, I just translate emotions people can feel into sound. Like something you can't really say, but I just try to transform them to something.
Alright, so Z3NA Beat might be confused. He knows that I profile houses, but he probably be what did this guy do for my studio? You understand? So Z3NA, please, you get some people really watch my videos, right? I just want you to like tell us how much, first of all, from the space, everything you get for here, how much do somebody have to have inside his pocket to bring up something like this? Even though they say no be 100%, like, you know, some of the stuff you use are some of the stuff you use are crazy. I can't lie. This is Apollo Twin. You use Apollo Twin. I know even you understand. Just give us. Small. You understand?
You don't have to start your Apollo Twin. You don't have to start your Apollo Twin. You don't have to start your Apollo Twin. You don't have to start with, because I use a 3-way monitor. You don't have to start with 3-way monitor.
Yeah.
Like something small, something like I think like 1M 1.5 to get like decent budget studio equipment to start out with.
Alright. So I want to put out this also. Z3NA is based in Abuja, right?
Yeah, I'm based in Abuja
for now. You get any mission?
To be honest, yeah. See, anywhere there's music here, I like to be there. So
Lagos is for you. You go soon go Lagos. You go soon abandon us for it. They go Lagos.
Who says Lagos?
Okay, yeah.
There's London.
Don't be mad. Okay, that's right. And I noticed some of them don't play. They go London.
Yeah. It happens, man. Music. Anywhere the music lives here, I'll be there definitely. So, I'm not like locked to one location. I'm here for now, but
Alright, say less. I want to ask you a question, Z3NA.
Yeah.
How did you start your music career?
So, pretty much how I started out as an artist, really, to be honest.
Up to now, you're still an artist.
Yeah, but I don't practice it as much. You know, when you don't do something now, what happens? You kind of like lose it. So I'll not say I've lost it. I'll say I'm just out of touch for now, because I've focused more on like making beats and doing other stuff you get. So if I go back to start making music like as an artist, like I used to do, obviously, definitely I'll get my act together and make it happen. But now I'm just working on making music for
people, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
You guys should check Z3NA Beats YouTube. You guys crazy on YouTube, I can't lie.
Then if it's about like being tenacious, like grinding, regardless of the outcome, just putting work on yourself. Personally, I would say I learned that consistency from when it comes to like, uploading beats and like putting out content. I run some, I worked to him.
Say that again.
Run some beats. Like I worked to him for a while, I stayed with him for like we're close for a while. You get like we're still good friends right now. But that man's work ethic, and then another really good person, my really close friend, Sean P.
Sean!
Sean,
Sean, a bad guy.
Sean is always like making guitar loops. There are people who really inspire me when it comes to like genre bending things. I'll say, when you hear something,
where are you from?
I'm from Edo State.
Where is Emma from?
Okay, now why? No. It's like, I'm not even saying this based off sentiment, but it's how it is. Like it's something that we can like look at and see. Like what Rema is doing now is what when and if an artist starts, what they usually say is, you know what, don't do this, do Afrobeat. Yeah, when you blow up, you do what you want to do. That's what Rema is doing right now. Alright,
so Z3NA Beats, my channel is not to promote music.
Yeah, true. That's
so let me bring you back if you could. Yeah. Remove sentiment, please. This question I'm about to ask. Not be because of say the music producer. That's not why you go choose. If they say make you be a worldwide music producer with all the fame and the money that comes to it, or a multi-billionaire in real estate, in real estate, alright? Which one will you choose?
See, music is something I'm not doing. Regardless of how much I'm making or I'm willing to make, I don't think I'll stop making music. You get, like, music is I grew up. My mom was in the choir. She would come. She would sing. You get. I've always been around music in one way or the other.
Yeah.
I used to go with my mom to choir practice. I feel like I believe that's where I trained my ears. Like, I could hear when things were off because I'll hear them correcting people. Yeah, I wasn't able to like. I wasn't able to like dedicate time to like learn to play an instrument. Even till now, I still have what it is. Now I'm learning. But still, music is something that has been part of me. Yeah, so I'm still able to do this, still not able to like play keys. Like you should understand how deep that is for me and how I'm able to like come out and bring emotions out that like I said, people feel something. A lot of the time people listen to music to feel. I'm just there to help you translate those emotions.
That's all, man.
You get like you understand. So regardless of how much I'll make in real estate, and first of all, for the fact that you're asking me that question, I think you need to not know how much potentially can be made from music or how much we make from it. You understand?
I understand that big money is being made in this industry, in music industry.
But in that context, if you are still asking me to pick, I'll still pick music.
I tabled music money and real estate money. Mr. Pozuza still chose music money.
I'll still get real estate from my music money now.
I wanna throw, but then you cannot get.
I cannot what? Explain.
Last question I want to ask you, Zina, is who is that person that you want to work with? Probably might be an artist or a producer. So who is that one person? Pick one artist.
Pick one producer. I'm sure the producer. Producer is SARS.
It has to be stars. It has to be stars.
No, I'm not saying all these things yet.
Where is stars from?
It's from Edo. See,
where are you from?
I'm from Edo. See, I'm not saying all these based off something. I'm saying
the guys when they take over.
God is good. God has been faithful.
That's crazy. Okay, let's go.
Yeah. So it's more like
why SARS?
Why SARS? Wait, like
you can easily say P Prime.
Yeah,
but like SARS is like a legend, right?
Yeah. Other than that, I admire someone who has been able to do something for years and still remain at the top. You understand?
So,
having to be able to reinvent yourself over the span of over 10 years, like there have been times that his sound has changed. Like now he's doing a lot of. Before it was you could hear how his music was sounding initially, and then now the music has evolved. He was not stuck in that time. He evolved with the music. You get.
How about the artist?
The artist, right now. To be honest, if it's about an artist, like there's a lot of people, and there are also a lot of people too that I would say can come up and people haven't heard of them yet. Yeah, like a really good one is like the song is not out there. We've already done it.
Okay.
Yeah, the song is not out there. Hopefully it will be out there, and we'll have a lot more coming. This guy Amara.
What's his name?
Yeah, he just put out a song. I think last month. Yeah.
Amara.
Yeah, Amara. Yeah. Oh, Amara, it's fire. Like you see, we have a couple of songs. Yeah.
What's his Amara? Amara is Messi.
I can't remember.
Something like that. Yeah. But then Amara for you. No. I'm asking. Who is that one? Who is that one artist that you want to collaborate with? You want to work?
I've not done a project with Amara. That's what I'm telling you.
Oh, okay. Wait.
You don't know him yet. You don't know him yet.
Yeah.
You don't know him yet.
Wait, okay.
Do you know what I'm saying? You don't know him yet. Don't worry. If we ever get to a space where we create something, don't worry about it.
It's going to be fire.
Don't worry.
This one is like
I said, like, you didn't even understand what I was saying.
Yeah,
exactly.
Because I was thinking you are going to say
that's what I'm saying.
Big name like somebody that
exactly. That's what I'm saying. Don't worry. Soon
you believe. If Zina believes in you, I mean, who am I? I'm gonna believe.
Don't worry. Forget about it.
Zina. One word for anybody that wants to start music production.
Yeah, it's hard work. It's not talent. You know, it's not about the most talented person. At the end of the day, it's really about the person who shows up and usually who shows up authentically.
Okay.
Yeah, just genuinely be you. You get like I said, my intention when I make music is. I'm not chasing like the next. I'm pretty much almost against algorithm.
Okay.
Emotion over algorithm. How does the music feel? It feels good. I connect with you. I believe that somebody out there will connect with you. You know how you listen to songs and then you feel something.
Yeah.
If I'm making a beat and I don't feel something, it's not coming out. That's how I think about it. That's how I approach making music. You get it has to come from somewhere. You get even collaborations with people too also has to come from. So I could be with people and then we just don't click, we just don't connect. I can't really make music with you. Like I'm not looking to just work with anybody or just it's more like I need to know what I'm working with. know what I deal with. You get, so it's more like right now. I would not say it's strategy. I feel like it just has to kind of align with my vision and goals. You get exactly because everybody has what they have in mind and what they want to do.
Yeah, they can't want it.
Yeah, so it's more like we also have to also align, and you also have to be good people too. Yeah, exactly. So that's pretty much for that.
Z3NA, ladies and gentlemen, this is Z3NA. He's the baddest on YouTube that I know. Alright, Z3NA, which other producer you would like make I go? Normally I do house profiling, but this one, Z3NA no one make a show in your crib. But that's fine. I mean, this is a 3-bedroom. This is he just converted one to studio, right?
Yeah.
That's crazy. And if you see Z3NA Parlor on fire, I don't know, but that's good. That's okay. That's okay. Which producer would you like to see on this show on YouTube?
There are a couple of people.
Producer way I go feel go interview. Don't be person way go for shooting on. I better go. Person what I feel rich.
Let me see. I think one very interesting person because you really like how first of all his crib is mad.
His crib is mad.
And then if you speak to him, you kind of like hear him speak. Yeah, I like his mind, his creative mind. The ransom beats.
Yeah.
Ransom beats.
Shout out Ransom beats.
Shout out to Ransom beats. Yeah, like that.
I know Ransom. Like I've been hearing about Ransom, but like I've never met Ransom. So. Now you now you gonna be the plug.
No, it's not a problem.
It's not a problem, right?
Yeah,
say less. So I'm gonna edit this video. After editing it, I'll show you, post it. This is the video that you're going to show me.
Yeah, besides, let me just say something. People are going to come up to this video about when I talked about
Amara.
People are going to come back. In fact, I'll probably clip this and then I'll post it. So when it finally happens, people will understand what I'm saying.
I need you to play something for us, but might be a beat, might be anything, right? Yeah, but something that when they no go copyright this thing.
All my music is copyrighted.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is
I can play it for you, you know. It's my music. I can play.
It's a big name. Make a clear road for Z3NA. Everywhere good. Yeah, since he wants to, I mean, let's take part of this blessing. Why not? That was up.
So this one, I think I really connected with this one. It's titled Part.
Alright. Production time on fire. Hey! Yeah, like that message that popped up. They take it back.
That's what I use you.
Take it back. Yo, see this. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's what's up. Oh.
Purchase your tracks today.
Z3NA, thank you for having us. It's a crazy one. Watch out for Amara. Watch out for more of Z3NA. Watch out for the next person that I'm going to. The next producer I'm going to his crib should be Ransom Beats. If everything works out proper, right?
Yeah, definitely. I'll speak to him about it.
Speak to Ransom. Ransom, we're coming in. That's what's up. Alright, don't forget to subscribe.
It was nice having you.
He's saying something.
It was nice having you. You know you're
I mean,
please go play FIFA.
See that they wipe their papa for FIFA. Don't go there. Respect. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And I remain your boy, Remy Juice. I'm the man with the juice, yeah? That's what's up.